In construction projects, there are different types of contractors with different roles and responsibilities. The two main types of contractors are main contractors and subcontractors. Both of these contractors play critical roles in ensuring the successful completion of a construction project. In this article, we will delve deeper into the differences between main contractors and subcontractors in construction projects. Main contractor. The main contractor is the primary contractor responsible for overseeing the entire construction project. The main contractor is responsible for managing the construction project from the start to the finish, ensuring that it is completed to the client's satisfaction. The main contractor's roles and responsibilities include project management. The main contractor is responsible for managing the construction project from start to finish. This includes scheduling the work, ensuring that the project is completed within the specified time frame, and ensuring that the quality of work is maintained throughout the project. Coordination of subcontractors. The main contractor is responsible for hiring and coordinating all subcontractors involved in the project. This includes ensuring that the subcontractors are qualified and licensed to perform the required work, scheduling the work of the subcontractors, and overseeing the quality of their work. Quality control. The main contractor is responsible for ensuring that the work is completed to the required quality standards. This includes monitoring the work of the subcontractors, performing regular inspections of the work site, and ensuring that all construction work meets the required safety standards. Cost control. The main contractor is responsible for ensuring that the project is completed within the budget specified by the client. This includes managing the costs of the subcontractors, ensuring that they are paid on time, and minimizing the cost of any additional work required during the construction process. Communication with the client. The main contractor is responsible for maintaining communication with the client throughout the project. This includes providing regular updates on the progress of the project, discussing any issues or changes that may arise, and ensuring that the client's requirements are met. Subcontractor. A subcontractor is a contractor hired by the main contractor to perform specific tasks or services related to the construction project. Subcontractors work under the direction and supervision of the main contractor, and their roles and responsibilities include completing specific tasks. Subcontractors are responsible for completing specific tasks required for the construction project. These tasks may include plumbing, electrical work, painting, or carpentry. Subcontractors are expected to complete these tasks to the required standards and within the time frame specified by the main contractor. Compliance with regulations. Subcontractors are responsible for complying with all applicable laws and regulations related to their work. This includes ensuring that all work is completed to the required safety standards and that all necessary permits and licenses are obtained before starting work. Communication with the main contractor. Subcontractors are expected to maintain communication with the main contractor throughout the project. This includes providing regular updates on the progress of their work, discussing any issues or changes that may arise, and ensuring that any concerns are addressed promptly. Cost control. Subcontractors are responsible for managing their costs and ensuring that they are within the budget specified by the main contractor. This includes minimizing the cost of any additional work required and ensuring that they are paid on time for the work completed. Liability. Subcontractors are responsible for the quality of their work and for any damages or accidents that may occur as a result of their work. However, the main contractor assumes overall liability for the construction project, including the work completed by the subcontractors. Differences between main contractors and subcontractors. Responsibility. The main contractor is responsible for managing the entire construction project from start to finish. This includes overseeing the work of all subcontractors involved in the project. In contrast, subcontractors are only responsible for its specific tasks they have been contracted to complete. They do not have overall responsibility for the project. Contract. The main contractor enters into a contract with the client for the entire construction project. The main contractor is responsible for delivering the project to the client's specifications. On the other hand, subcontractors enter into a contract with the main contractor and are responsible for completing the work they have been contracted to do. Scope of work. The main contractor is responsible for the overall project management, including hiring subcontractors, scheduling, and quality control. Subcontractors are responsible for performing specific tasks such as electrical work, plumbing, or carpentry. They are not responsible for project management. Payment. The main contractor receives payment from the client for the entire project. The main contractor is responsible for paying subcontractors for their work. Subcontractors are paid by the main contractor for the specific work they have completed. Liability. The main contractor assumes the overall liability for the project. This includes the work completed by subcontractors. Subcontractors are only responsible for their specific scope of work. Conclusion. Main contractors and subcontractors play critical roles in ensuring the successful completion of a construction project. The main contractor is responsible for managing the project from start to finish, while subcontractors are responsible for completing specific tasks required for the project. Both main contractors and subcontractors have different roles and responsibilities, which are crucial for the successful completion of a construction project. Understanding the differences between main contractors and subcontractors can help clients and contractors to manage construction projects effectively.